Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, do you guys remember I think it was February, either January or February, Jamaica welcomed its 1 millionth visitor to the island. Well, Jamaica has now welcomed its 2 millionth visitor to the island. This is actually a record for Jamaica. Now, the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing extremely well. Rio just opened a hotel in May, and the hotel is at 85% capacity. No, it's at 65% capacity for May, and it's going to be at 80, somewhere in the 80 region capacity over the summer. This is a Rio Aguilera in Trelawney. So it's a case where everybody wants to come to Jamaica. Once you have these hotels and the flights, people will come. So as more flights come into the airports and more hotels are built, the number of arrivals increase. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the historic 2 million visitors within the first 5 months of the year. Minister of Tourism, Honorable Edmund Bartlett, has reported that Jamaica has recorded a historic 2 million visitors within the first 5 months of the year. Preliminary data has highlighted that the island welcomed 1,265,830 stopover arrivals and 745,812 cruise passengers from January to May. This translates to an 8.5% increase in arrivals and US $1.9 billion in earnings. The minister who made the announcement at the launch of Reggae Sunfest on Thursday, May 30 said, "We are seeing the fruits of our collective labor, and I am pleased that through public and private sector partnerships, our tourism product continues to be highly sought after." For the first time, Jamaica has recorded the historic figure of 2 million visitors within the first 5 months of the year, and this is testament to the confidence our partners and visitors have in the destination, said Minister Bartlett. The minister also applauded the festival's organizers while highlighting the impact it has had on tourism's growth over the years. Since 2016, Reggae Sunfest has seen approximately 175,000 patrons, with 35,000 being visitors. Outside of these impressive numbers, the festival injects $20 million US annually into the local economy. This is why we continue to partner with the festival to attract more visitors into the island and increase the economic benefit for our communities, the minister said. The island's forecast for 2024 is 4.58 million visitors, with a 9.6% increase in earnings of US $4.38 billion. So that's the end of the update article. So the tourism sector is on its way to meeting the target of 4.58 million visitors. They should easily meet that target and probably exceed it. So guys, let us know what you think of the increase in visitor arrivals to Jamaica, and overall, what do you think of the tourism sector in Jamaica? Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. We are driving on Constant Spring Road heading towards Halfway Tree. Alright guys, have a good day.